Up to 70% of your immune system cells live in your gut, and that's why eating the right foods can transform not just your digestion, but your overall health too. Stick around because we'll be revealing the #1 food for a healthier gut at the end, one that you might be overlooking in your daily diet. Number 9. Sauerkraut or fermented cabbage. Sauerkraut might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of gut health, but it's one of the best foods for it. It's basically fermented cabbage, but during the fermentation process, it becomes loaded with beneficial probiotics. Probiotics are those good bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in your gut. What makes sauerkraut so unique is that it's not just a probiotic powerhouse, it's also high in fiber. Fiber is crucial for digestion because it keeps things moving slowly through your system and helps maintain regularity. Another benefit of sauerkraut is its ability to support your immune system. It's packed with vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune response and keeps you feeling energetic. When your gut is in good shape, your overall immunity tends to improve too. That's why many people notice they get sick less often when they incorporate more fermented foods like sauerkraut into their diets. Now, if you're wondering how to add sauerkraut to your meals without getting bored, there are plenty of options. You can toss it into a salad for an extra crunch, or even mix it into your favorite wrap or sandwich. It's also a great topping for grilled meats or veggie dishes. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding it to a warm bowl of soup. Just don't cook it, as heat can kill off some of the beneficial bacteria. The key is to eat it raw to get the maximum gut benefits. Number 8. Kimchi, or spicy fermented vegetables. Kimchi is another gut-friendly food that's been a staple in Korean cuisine for centuries. It's made from fermented vegetables, often including napa cabbage, radishes, and spices. The fermentation process produces a load of probiotics, just like with sauerkraut. But there's more. Kimchi also comes with a bunch of vitamins and minerals that boost its nutritional value. You get a good dose of vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like iron, calcium, and selenium. What makes kimchi particularly beneficial is its ability to enhance digestion. The probiotics it contains help strengthen the lining of your gut, which can reduce issues like bloating and constipation. Plus, the spice from ingredients like chili pepper and ginger not only give it a kick, but also supports gut health by reducing inflammation. Adding kimchi to your diet can be as simple as having it as a side dish, mixing it into rice bowls, or using it as a flavorful topping for scrambled eggs. Just like with sauerkraut, the raw version offers the best benefits for your gut, so try not to cook it too much. If the spice level is a bit too intense, you can start by adding a small amount to your meals and gradually increasing it. Number 7. Greek yogurt, natural probiotics. Greek yogurt is one of the most popular fermented foods for gut health, and for good reason. It's filled with live probiotics that support your digestive system. These good bacteria can balance your gut flora, helping your body break down food more efficiently. But here's the catch. Not all Greek yogurt is equally good for your gut. Many flavored varieties are loaded with added sugars. Sugar can feed the harmful bacteria in your gut, which works against the benefits you're trying to gain from the probiotics. So it's best to choose plain Greek yogurt. If you find plain Greek yogurt a bit too tangy or boring, you can easily sweeten it with natural options like honey, fresh fruits, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. These additions not only make it taste better, but also offer extra nutrients. Greek yogurt can be a part of breakfast, a midday snack, or even a base for smoothies. Just make sure you're reading the labels and sticking to plain, unsweetened varieties for the best gut benefits. Number 6. Miso soup, or fermented soybean paste. Miso is a traditional Japanese food made from fermented soybeans, and it's a staple in Japanese cuisine for a good reason. It's packed with probiotics that can support gut health, making it a great option if you're looking to boost your digestion. The fermentation process of soybeans not only adds beneficial bacteria, but also enhances its nutritional value, providing essential nutrients like vitamin K, manganese, and copper. These nutrients contribute to better overall health, including a stronger immune system. Miso soup is probably the easiest way to add miso to your diet. It's light, comforting, and incredibly simple to prepare. You just need hot water, some miso paste, and perhaps a few extras like seaweed, tofu, or green onions to make it more filling. The best part about miso soup is that it's a great option for any meal of the day, whether it's a light breakfast, a quick lunch, or even a starter before dinner. Just keep in mind that miso should not be boiled, as high heat can kill the probiotics. Instead, add the miso paste to warm water and stir until it dissolves. You can also use miso as a seasoning in other dishes. Try adding it to salad dressings, marinades, or sauces for an umami-rich flavor boost. The fermented nature of miso makes it a gut-friendly addition to various meals, helping you to support your digestion and overall health consistently. Number 5. Tempeh, fermented soybeans. Tempeh is another fermented soybean product, but it's very different from miso in both texture and flavor. It's a dense, protein-rich food that's incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Because tempeh is made by fermenting whole soybeans, it retains more of the bean's natural nutrients, including fiber and protein. This makes it an excellent source of plant-based protein, especially for those following vegetarian or vegan diets. Tempeh is packed with probiotics, which are great for gut health. These beneficial bacteria help maintain a good balance in your gut, aid in digestion, and may even help improve nutrient absorption. The fermentation process also breaks down some of the natural compounds in soybeans, making it easier for your body to digest and absorb the nutrients. Cooking with tempeh is easy, and its mild, nutty flavor makes it adaptable to many dishes. You can slice it, cube it, or even crumble it for different recipes. Try marinating it in soy sauce, ginger, and garlic before adding it to stir-fries, salads, or grain bowls. It's also delicious when grilled or sautéed with vegetables. Because it holds up well to different cooking methods, tempeh is a great protein option that you can enjoy regularly while supporting your gut health. Number 4. Kombucha, or fermented tea. Kombucha is a fermented tea that's become quite popular recently, and for a good reason. It's tangy, slightly fizzy, and packed with probiotics, making it a fun and tasty way to improve gut health. The fermentation process of kombucha involves tea, sugar, and a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, known as SCOBY. This process not only adds the probiotics that promote the growth of good bacteria in the gut, but also produces beneficial acids that can support digestion. Drinking kombucha regularly can help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, improving overall digestion and even enhancing immune function. It's a refreshing option for those looking for a fizzy drink without resorting to sugary sodas. However, not all kombucha is created equal. Some brands add a lot of extra sugar, which can defeat the purpose of drinking it for gut health. Too much sugar can feed harmful bacteria in the gut and contribute to imbalances, so it's important to check the labels and choose low-sugar versions. You can drink kombucha on its own, have it with meals, or even use it as a mixer for a fun, gut-friendly twist on drinks. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as kombucha can be quite potent for those not used in fermented foods. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake as your gut adjusts. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV. Apple cider vinegar is well known in the world of natural remedies, but it's also a powerful addition to a gut-friendly diet. It's made from fermented apple juice and contains beneficial bacteria and enzymes that can support your digestive health. The fermentation process not only gives ACV its signature tangy flavor, but also produces probiotics, which are beneficial for the gut microbiome. These probiotics help maintain a balance between good and bad bacteria, which is crucial for proper digestion. One of the most interesting benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to balance stomach acidity. If you're experiencing issues like heartburn, acid reflux, or indigestion, it might be due to low stomach acid rather than too much of it. Drinking diluted ACV can help increase stomach acidity, making digestion more efficient and reducing bloating. It also promotes the production of digestive enzymes, which help break down food and absorb nutrients more effectively. To get the most out of apple cider vinegar, try mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water and drinking it before meals. It's important to dilute it, as undiluted ACV can be harsh on your tooth enamel and throat. If the taste is too strong, you can add a bit of honey to make it more palatable. Drinking ACV this way can improve digestion over time, making it a simple yet effective way to support gut health daily. Number 2. Pickles, or fermented cucumbers. Pickles are often thought of as a crunchy snack, but when they're naturally fermented, they offer more than just a tasty bite. Fermented pickles are made by soaking cucumbers in a brine solution, which allows beneficial bacteria to grow over time. This process makes pickles rich in probiotics, similar to other fermented foods. These probiotics can help improve gut flora by introducing good bacteria that support digestion and boost immunity. It's essential to look for naturally fermented pickles when you're at the grocery store. Many commercial pickles are made with vinegar, which speeds up the pickling process but doesn't result in the same probiotic benefits as natural fermentation. To identify naturally fermented pickles, check the label for terms like lactic acid fermentation or live cultures. You'll usually find these in the refrigerated section of the grocery store. Adding pickles to your meals is an easy way to support your gut health. You can have them as a side dish, add them to sandwiches or salads, or even use pickle juice in salad dressings for an extra dose of probiotics. The natural fermentation process not only makes them beneficial for gut health, but also gives them a slightly tangy flavor that can enhance your meals. Number 1. Bone broth, or collagen and gut healing. Bone broth has gained popularity in recent years for its numerous health benefits, particularly for gut health. It's made by simmering animal bones in water for an extended period, which allows the nutrients from the bones to be released into the broth. One of the standout nutrients in bone broth is collagen, a protein that helps heal the lining of the gut. Collagen can soothe the digestive tract and repair any damage to the gut lining, making it an excellent choice for anyone dealing with digestive issues. Bone broth also has anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to compounds like glycine and glutamine. These amino acids can reduce inflammation in the gut, which is often a factor in conditions like leaky gut or irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Sipping warm bone broth can have a calming effect on your digestive system, making it a soothing option for gut health. Incorporating bone broth into your diet is simple. You can sip it on its own, use it as a base for soups, or add it to recipes like stews or risottos. It's a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed any time of day, providing your body with gut-healing nutrients while supporting overall digestion. So there you have it, 9 gut-friendly foods that can transform your digestive health and overall well-being, from fermented drinks like kefir to nutrient-rich bone broth. These foods are packed with benefits. Try incorporating these into your meals, and your gut will thank you. See you in the next one.